Guys, as I said, this is a 12-volt fan setup, and let me see if I can get to the where you can see it in here. Anyway, it's an old hair dryer. It was a standard one, so just a standard 115 volt, 120 volt AC. I took out the heating elements. I took out all the wiring going to the motor, and actually ended up desoldering the connections where the wire is still stubbed on there. And then I just soldered on wire to go out here and jump it onto a 12-volt battery. So here's what the air intake looks like itself right here. If you have not seen the other ones, I haven't changed anything, guys. That's the old internal tube of a hot water heater tank that I took apart for a previous project. And that's an old vacuum cleaner shop vac hose. Not a hose, but you know, you can get the rigid pipe, the reducer pipe to run, and that's all it is. Everything in here is recycled 100%. So that explains why it's such a cyclonic action as far as the pattern of the flames, why it gets twisted up, because the air is coming in right over there. So hopefully that'll help answer any questions you all might have.